Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session we completed the last exercise 7.11 and we started miscellaneous examples also. Now we will explain the next question. Evaluate integral minus 1 to 3 by 2 mod x sine pi x dx. X sine pi x dx. See here mod function is there. First of all I can write mod of x sine pi x is equal to, we can write in two ways. One is plus x sine pi x, one more is minus x sine pi x. Here the condition is if x is minus 1 less than or equals to x and less than or equals to 1. That is condition number 1. Next, second condition. 1 is less than x and less than or equals to 3 by 2. Now, I can divide this integral into two parts. Then I equals to minus 1 to 1 x into sine pi x dx. Next, 1 to 3 by 2 negative minus 1 to 3 by 2 x sine pi x dx. Okay, here x sine pi x is there, here x sine pi x is there. We need to integrate. After that, substitute upper limit minus as well as lower limit. Okay. How to find integral of this one? Two functions are there. I am using integration by parts. Okay. Now u is equal to x, v dash is equal to sine pi x. Next I am finding u dash, derivative of u, x derivative 1. Next I am finding v, v is nothing but integration of v dash, integration of sine pi x dx. Then v equals to sine integration minus cos pi x by inner function pi x derivative pi. Now what is the formula in integration by parts? Integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral u dash v. That is the formula in integration by parts. Then I is equal to u is nothing but x, v is nothing but minus cos pi x by pi minus integral u dash is nothing but 1, v is nothing but minus cos pi x by pi dx. This is between the limits minus 1 to plus 1. Next same will get, but limits will change. Same value, x into minus cos pi x by pi minus integral 1 into minus cos pi x by pi dx between the limits 1 to 3 by 2. Okay. uv minus integral u dash v. Then I equals to minus x cos pi x by pi. Minus of minus plus 1 by pi is constant, cos pi x integration sin pi x by pi. Between the limits minus 1 to 1. Here also same, but limits will change. Minus x cos pi x by pi, minus of minus plus 1 by pi into cos pi x integration sin pi x by pi. Between the limits 1 to 3 by 2. First, you need to substitute upper limit. After that, you need to substitute lower limit. First, what is upper limit? 1. Substitute. Minus cos pi by pi plus sin pi by pi into pi square. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit. What is lower limit? Minus 1. Then substitute minus of minus plus cos of minus theta cos theta, that is nothing but cos pi by pi minus sin pi by pi into pi square. This is the first integral value. Okay. In between the limits also over. Next, here upper limit is 3 by 2. Substitute 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 into cos 3 pi by 2 by pi plus 1 by pi square into sin 3 pi by 2. 1 by pi square into sin 3 pi by 2. This is upper limit. Minus. What is lower limit? 1. Substitute. Minus cos pi by pi minus sin pi by pi square. Now simplify this. Cos pi value minus 1, sin pi value 0. Now what will get? This is minus 1, already minus is there, 1 by pi plus 0 minus 1 by pi minus 0. Then minus 3 by 2 cos 270. Cos 270 means 180 plus 90, that is 0. Next, sin 270. Sin 270 is third quadrant. Third quadrant sign is negative, minus 1. So, minus 1 by pi square. Cos 180 minus 1, already minus is there, plus 1 by pi. Sin 180, 0. Now simplify. 1 by pi plus 1 by pi plus 1 by pi square plus 1 by pi square. Next, 1 by pi. Okay. Now finally 1 by pi gets cancelled. Okay students, a small correction. This is upper limit minus lower limit. That's why you take this value and take the symbol minus. Now if you take minus, what you will get? This is cos pi. Okay. If you substitute cos pi is minus 1. Then what you will get? Minus 1 of minus plus into minus 1 by pi will get. Now here plus 1 by pi will get. Now answer 3 by pi plus 1 by pi square. This is the final answer. Now last question in this chapter. Evaluate integral 0 to pi x by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Okay, listen. First, I am taking the given integral is I, 0 to pi x by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. This is equation 1. Apply the property. The property is integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. According to this property, in place of x, we need to substitute a minus x in the above expression. Now I equals to integral 0 to pi, in place of x I am substituting a minus x, that is nothing but pi minus x, by a square cos square pi minus x b square sin square pi minus x. Now I equals to integral 0 to pi minus x by a square cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but square is there, so plus will come. Sin 180 minus sin theta, no problem. Now add 1 and 2. I plus I, 2i equals to 0 to pi. What is numerator here? X. What is numerator here? Pi minus x by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Now x gets cancelled. Now 2i equals to pi constant, I will let outside, integral 0 to pi 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. Okay. Next, here I will do divide numerator and denominator by a square cos square x. Divide numerator and denominator by a square cos square x. Then 2i equals to integral 0 to pi 1 by a square cos square x by denominator. A square cos square by a square cos square, now it becomes 1 plus b square sin square x by a square cos square x. Okay. Now let us see what is remaining here. Now if you divide with a square cos square x, here I will take one thing. Instead of a square cos square x, you take b square cos square x. Why? Because here also b square gets cancelled. Here what is remaining? Cos square cancel. A square by b square remaining. Okay. Now simplify. 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi 1 by b square into 1 by cos square, that is nothing but secant square. Okay, by a square by b square plus b square gets cancelled, sin square by cos square, that is nothing but tan square. Okay, now 2i is equal to 1 by b square constant integral 0 to pi secant square x by a square by b square can be written as a by b whole square plus tan square x dx. Here I am using substitution method. Let tan x is equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Tan x derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt. Already I told, when the variable is changed, automatically limits also changes. Now I am changing lower limit and upper limit. Okay, we need to change. Okay, here outside pi is there. I forgot to take pi and pi. Okay, next here what I am doing, this value divide with 2 and this limit, this is multiply with 2, this is divide with 2. Why? Because we have one property, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx. That's why integral 0 to this pi can be written as 2 into pi by 2. F of x dx is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2 f of x dx. Okay. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Here variable is changed. We need to change upper limit and lower limit. First lower limit. What is lower limit? 0. Substitute. Tan 0 is equal to t. Now t is equal to 0. Next upper limit infinity. Tan 90 equals to t. Now t equals to infinity. Now apply these two limits. Now I equals to pi by b square. Now lower limit 0, upper limit is infinity. Now here what I can write, secant square dx is nothing but dt, then 1 by a by b whole square plus t square, because tan x is nothing but t, secant square x dx is nothing but dt. Now it is in the formula 1 by x square plus a square. I can apply the formula. What is the formula? Integral 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. I am applying this formula. In place of x, t is there. In place of a by b is there. Then I equals to pi by b square into 1 by a. A means a by b. Tan inverse of x means t by a. Between the limits 0 to infinity. Here plus c will not come because this is definite integration. Now here b and square gets cancelled. Then I equals to pi by ab into tan inverse of bt by a between the limits 0 to infinity. First we need to substitute upper limit. Then I equals to pi by ab into tan inverse of upper limit is infinity minus tan inverse of lower limit 0, 0 and anything 0. Now I equals to pi by ab into when tan is infinity pi by 2, when tan is 0, 0. then I equals to pi into pi square 2 into AB, 2AB. Therefore, the final answer I equals to pi square by 2AB.